Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google Forms into a CRM with Retool, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Google Forms dashboard. Select the form you wish to work with. Click on the Responses tab at the top of the form. Next, open Retool in a separate tab. Log into your Retool account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're in Retool, create a new application. Select the API resource option to connect to Google Forms. You'll need to set up API access for your Google account. First, go to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Navigate to the Credentials section. Click on Create Credentials and then choose OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. Configure the consent screen as required. Add the necessary scopes for Google Forms. After creating your OAuth credentials, save the client ID in secret. Go back to your Retool application. In the API resource settings, input the client ID in secret. Test the connection to ensure it's working properly. Now, retrieve the form data from Google Forms. Use the Google Forms API to fetch the responses. Set the API method to GET. Map the necessary fields from the Google Forms response to your Retool application. Create corresponding fields in your CRM where you want to store this data. Configure a post request in Retool to send data to your CRM. Map the data from the Google Forms response to the CRM fields. Test the integration to ensure data is flowing correctly. Set up a trigger in Retool to automate the transfer every time a new response is submitted. Monitor the incoming data in your CRM to confirm everything is functioning as expected. That concludes the process of withdrawing data from Google Forms into your CRM using Retool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.